Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is August 17th, 2025, and this is my weekly trade review where I'm reviewing an SPX iron Condor trade. That's 10 wide, 0.2 delta, 0-day options. For educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. I've been having internet problems for the last few days, checking with Spectrum now, but I'm going to go ahead and try to do this one more time and just do it as quick as possible. All right, so let's jump right on into this and see what we see. This is a virtual trade. This is me training my mind to see how well this trade works, and this is something that I'm going to actually add to my tools of things that I actually do. So let's go jump over here to, first of all, the VIX. The VIX was below 17 all week, so this should have been a no trade for me all week long, but I did trade maybe 1 or 2 times. So next day, Monday was a no trade day. I had an appointment that Monday. Tuesday I did trade. I did place that on Condor at 64.30, 64.40, 60 on the call side, 63.70, 63.60 on the put side, around a 0.2 delta. Was in that trade at 260. Out of that trade at $1.20. At $1.20. The crazy entries that you see is all between 9:40 and 10:05, and that's because the option prices go crazy. You would not get those fills in your live account. On Wednesday was a no trade day. I had an appointment that morning also, and also wasn't able to didn't do too much and all. Next day, Thursday, I placed that trade and ended up with a small loss, like a $1.20 loss. But I placed that iron Condor trade at 64.70, 64.80 on the call side, 64.10, 64.00 on the put side, 0.2 delta. Received at $2.65. Closed it for $3.85. That's that $1.20 small loss. I did make a little bit of that back and all, and that was pretty much that day. Friday, I did place that. I was able to place that iron Condor. It was a good day. I placed that iron Condor at 64.95, 64.05, 65.05 on the call side, 64.40, 64.30 on the put side, around a 0.2 delta. Received a $2.65 credit. Closed it for it closed for $1. Again, one of those crazy fills at 9:41. I think it was close to around 10 o'clock. That thing actually traded. I didn't record it quite right, but as you can see, it would have closed there anyway. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the account information and see if I got a good recording. And all I'm gonna look at is Friday. Friday again, I was in at 9:33. 265 is out at $1. I see I usually use a limit order at $1.85, and usually when those prices go crazy, just give you the best price out there at that time. And that's pretty much it. This is Right Side Trader. I hope you guys have a better day than what I'm having right here trying to get these recordings done. And I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.